Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will see about how to convert the table into the arrange. How to convert the table into the arrange. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So here I have like pasted some data, right? I have pasted some data. So to convert this data into table, what we have to do to convert this data into the table, what we have to do? We have to go, like first we have to select this entire data, and you have to go to the insert and you have to click on table. And here you have to click the A1 column F16 and click on OK. Then it will be converted into the table and where you can sort it, right? You can sort it or you can filter it. You can filter it. So range option means to remove these filter and sort options is nothing but a range. So to remove these sort and filter options, so to remove that sort and filter option is nothing but a range. So how to do it? How to do it? So for this, you have to go to the table, cancel. Next, you have to select like this. Yeah. So here, so this is the table design, right? So you have to click on this table design and you can see, right, convert to range. So when you click on it and you want to convert the table into normal range, then you have to specify S. Then see, there is no filter option here. There is no filter option here. So in this way, we can remove the sort and filter options by using table design to convert the normal table into the range table. So I hope you understand this how to convert the table into the range. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.